Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Things, and in this video I am going to tell you about Scratch and tell you how to make a game that is named as Pong using Scratch app or application, you can say. So we are going to make it an app. So to make a game, you have to simply open first Scratch and follow my step and memorize it, so you can make a good and best game using Scratch. So firstly we have to add an image of a slide, that is a rectangular in shape and a circle, and as you know that's the border is here, and if it touches the below line, it's the game over and it's wrong. So let's see what we are going to. So you have to search an image that is a ball. So add the image of ball. As you can see, it is a ball. And now you have to add an rectangular slide here. So for that you should customize it or paint it. I prefer it. You can choose any you want. So make a brush and make it for it. It's easy to use. Take it to 40, take a line, and then that size is okay. And now this is our slide, you can say. Yep, yep. So now we have to add a background. For background you have to click simply here and add any background that you want. So I am adding a background that is suitable for my game. So that's this. This is usually used for making spaceship game. So now we have to write code to move this ball and this you can say um, plate or anything. So firstly we code for our ball. So for ball you have to firstly add when click, means when the game execute and when the game is run. You have to do these commands in this game. So firstly you have to add an I think event, yeah. When click means when the game is started. You have to do that for forever, means when the games or for all time the games is executed. So for that you have to add a forever, and in forever you have to add an if statement. If you are using Python you are more concerned about it, so follow this step. If command in forever. So in if command we have to I think so add some commands to move. Firstly we have to add turn 180 degree when it's contract with it. So in if, and then between this we have to add an command which is touching on it. So we have to go to control setting here. No, no, we have to go to sensing, and then we have to add touching, and here we have to add speed. I think it's one. Yes, one. And in speed it 1, and then we have to add some motion in it to move it. So I will add turn in this degree, and then we have to move this to SCVA. For to move you have to add move steps. So we will add the degree 180 degree, and in steps we will add 50. You can add any you want. that is suitable for it. So to don't make our game so fast, to control it, we will add an wait command in it. For wait command you have to go to control, and there is an wait command, I think. Yeah, you have to add wait command in it, and we will wait for 0.5 seconds, and that's right. Yeah. And now we have to add one more command in ball. So we will one more time add when clicked. So we have to add this one. Yeah, and then point in direction means in this direction you will move over, and you have to go to then motion and point in direction. There it is. And now you have to go to 48 degrees, 45 degrees, so it will go here after touching. And then you have to add forever, and then you have to add one more time motion it for forever, that is 15 steps. 15, yeah. You can add 16 as this work, so I add in it 16. So after adding 16 we have to make one more command, so the ball cannot be go outside the game. So we will add a command that it will bounce after coming on edge, means when the ball come here it will bounce reflect. So for that we have to add and bounce command. So there it is, if on edge it will bounce. So let's start. Yeah, as you can see it is bouncing back. So this is the whole command of ball. Now we have to add command to the speed it one to move it. So we have to simply go to speed it one or click on it. On speed it one you have to add some command, that is when clicked, when executed. So you have to go to events and when clicked, and you have to also take and forever, and then set x to mouse x, means this spirit one will goes along along the mouse in x direction grid. So as you can see the x is means this, means it will move in this direction. So we will add mouse x here. So for that we have to go to sensing, no, first we have to go to motion. Yeah, in motion we have to go set x to this and cut it all, and then sensing and then mouse x. So now we see that it is moving, as you can see it is moving. So now we have to add some more commands to add score in it, to make the game more encrypted and more. So we add the score after and one more command. So we will add damage line, means the line where when the ball touches will end the whole game. So for that we have to add a line. You can add a line, you can search here line, line, and then enter. You can add this line to below. Yeah, so now if it touches here, the game over. For that we have to add some command to it. So touch line, add their damage line, you can name it whatever you want to do. And then here you have to one more time add when click, and then forever from control, and after it you have to give an if command in it, and then you have to go to I think motion. Yeah, does it motion? I think it's answer. Yeah, Then you have to add a touching pointer. Then we have to add a touching mouse pointer here from sensing, as you can see what I had done. So we have to change this to damage line. Yeah, when means we have to add their ball, I think. Yeah, we have to add there a ball. Means when this line damage line touch the ball, it will do something. So in what will it do, now we will try. So we have to go here in control and give a command to stop all the game. So we will add stop all. You can stop anything you want, but we have to add the game over. So we will stop all. As you can see, the game is over as it touches to damage line. And the most important thing now coming, we have to add score in it. So to adding a score in it, we have to name a variable score in it. So you have to make a variable and name it a score, and then you have to simply go in score. Yeah. So now we have to give command to, as you can see the score is coming here. Now we will give command to this thing, this spirit one. So as it can be, when the ball touches it and go upward, it will mark one score. For that we have to add a command to add score. So you have to simply go to this and then add one command in it. So the command is to be added in it is so I didn't think that we have to add in this. We can also add in the ball item. So we will add in ball, and here we will add, so as there is a touching spirit one also here, so it's more good to add it here to reduce our code. So we have to add a variable that it change my variable by 1. So here we will add it and change my variable, and we score the variable as score. So we will add it. So let's touch the game is as it is going on. So as you can see, the score is going to move and as score. So this is all about this thing. As you can see, this is all about this game. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. I will make the videos for these more content, amazing content. Thanks for watching.